Play it again, Juice. Hey, Republic. I love you, Republic. You've been doing a great job. Money out they pen pal.
I know a bitch bustin' open in the club. Introduce you to the plug.
10
plates
for like
10 cash. I got a call.
Told her meet me in the back street. Got out the Jeep just to fuck him in the backseat. I'm not impressed. I said, yo, the D mad. We hit my niggas up. I got him robbed in that ass beat.
I told him let me hit the chance
of a lifetime. Who wanna be a millionaire? I'm your lifeline.
These bitches ain't checking for me like a nice time.
Niggas always frontin' when they only did some lifetime. Why you took out the murder part, Juice? Put it in. Is that beef? Is that teeth?